Hello everyone, you're welcome to Algebraic math class. Today we have a problem to solve. The problem is simplify the expression open bracket 3a plus b close bracket square. This also you can write this as 3a plus b open bracket close and open another bracket 3a plus b then bracket close. Now the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to expand this bracket. To simplify it, we have to expand it. Now the first one we start with is 3a and 3a. You use this to multiply this. If you multiply 3a and with 3a, if you multiply it by 3a, you have 9a squared. The next one is you multiply this with this. 3a multiplied by plus b, you have plus 3ab. Now the next one that we're going to take now is plus a times 3a. You multiply this with this, that is plus 3ab, then b times 3a. Now the last one is plus b plus times plus b. Multiply this with this one with this, you have what? Plus b squared. So that's another stage. We're going to move to another stage now. Now we have 9a squared plus 3ab plus 3ab then plus b squared. Now if you check this, 3ab and 3ab, they are alike. So you put them together, you have 9a squared plus, when you add this together, we have 6ab then plus b squared. Now that becomes our final answer. You can pause the video again and watch the step again. See how the question is being solved. So when they give you a question similar to this, follow this step and you see that the answer is very easy. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Until we see again in our next class, I remain my humble self, Monday. Bye bye.